His true legacy lies in the lives he touched beyond the uniform. He lived a life of warmth, kindness, and genuine engagement with people from all walks of life. His ever-present smile warmed hearts, and his kind words and concern for others made him a cherished figure in his neighborhood and beyond. He never hesitated. Arriving now is the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Dramani Mahama. Respectfully, blessed remembrance. From a humble beginning, to become a distinguished public
President John Dramani Mahama,
how are you?
Assignment. You said you were going to return. It was a return journey. I'm still looking forward and welcoming you back home. My dear husband, the departure was so sudden and I still can't believe it. The news of your departure continues to cut through my nerves from a vacuum of unimaginable pain in the heart. Oh, Sakon Kuman, do you hear my call? Come back. Tell me this news is not true. The day is so gloomy. The sun is gone. The weather is thick. Darkness is falling, and the place is empty. Hear our voice. Hear our voice. Your wife and your children need you, my dear husband. We can hear the sound of your footsteps in the house, offering protection for your family. Your presence represented hope, words and breathe love, and work joy and happiness. You run a good race. My husband, May the doors of heaven open until we meet again. Rest well, my lovely husband, Sapon Kumenkuma. Demi Feji, Tnehi.
How to be, but also showed us the way through our integrity, humility, and strength. The news of your departure pierced up through our veins and bones with sudden wave of shock, which we still cannot accept. We cannot believe you at this stage. Though your unbelievable departure has left a void no one can ever fill, your legacy still lives in us. We carry your name with pride, your dream in our hearts, and your lessons in our actions. Your words of love and compassion shall forever remain vision. Take inspiration from your fatherly advice and admire your character as true father and ultimate provider. You did the best. You lead us through challenging moments. You made us the needed investment in us as your children. Time was fast approaching for us to keep you away from work and make you stay home and reflect upon the youthful moments we felt in you. Yeah, Daddy. Eternity. That's why. You never rested this day. You set an unavailable standard for sacrifice. Your footprint shall forever remain a pointer along great family walks away. You run your gracious to God and at this moment of great sorrow, may the angels of heaven open the doors for you until we meet again. Daddy, you have. Thank you very much, sir. We thank the
my love. You are not only my wife, but also my best friend, the greatest blessing in my life. I thank God every day for you, and I look forward to creating more beautiful memories together. Enjoy your day. I love you deeply. I was holding on those words with so much joy, eagerly counting down the days until I'll see you again in Atlanta, Georgia, on the 18th. I was waiting to be in your arms, to laugh with you, to celebrate my birthday by your side like we had planned. Why then, why am I in Ghana mourning you instead? On that final morning, just hours before your crash, your last words to me were, "Take care, baby, I love you." Those words will forever echo in my heart, not just as your goodbye, but as your eternal vow to me. I will cherish every moment we shared, your laughter, your embrace, the way you called my name. This world may have lost you, but I'll carry your love with me always. You were my partner, my safe place, my joy, and my best friend. Rest peacefully, Eniola Abwaje, as I affectionately call you. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for making me a wife. Thank you for our daughters. Thank you for showing me through partnership looks like. I pray your soul finds eternal peace, surrounded by the grace and light of God. May your rest be as beautiful and powerful as the life you lead. May heaven welcome you with open arms until we meet again. I hold on to our love, unbroken by time, untouched touched by death, you will always be my forever. Samuel Abuaji, my dear husband, rest well, rest peacefully in the bosom of the Lord. The prefect name will go for Papa.
Thank you, Lord, for seeing your beautiful receptionist smile as she called it. Oh, you call me my dear, 100 times in a day.
Inside, outside, 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 inside,
Excellency the President will now go and shake hands with the families.
inside, outside, 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 inside,
Excellency the President will now go and shake hands with the families.